The world has been at war. My side, your side, our side. Interrupting laughter and love with fear and caution. It's like Guy Sebastian said. All they know is to divide, and it's easy if they're faceless to hate the other side, and the others caught between are the only ones to bleed, and the ones they leave behind can only sit and cry. The world doesn't know love. The world doesn't know empathy. The world never realized that the people on the other side of the lines have faces, families, and lives, spreading the tremendous lie that we are different, you from I. That is until now. The plague has come, and yes, it's taken its toll. It's been hard on us all, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Some of us have lost loved ones, and my heart goes out to you. But the one thing that seems to have ebbed away is the hate we felt towards those we once resented. This plague may have brought us all into isolation, but at the same time, it brought us all together, connecting like never before. For the first time, when someone loses a loved one, we all do. It's giving the world empathy, and for the first time, we are praying for the people on the other side, and the people on the other side are praying for us. The whole world, it seems, is learning to love, and we are learning to love our world.
Everybody, what's up world? I hope you're doing okay. My name is Akram.
En España, pues estamos muy bien, ¿sabes?
Hello, my name is Haniel. I'm from Brazil. We're all together.
I'm like in your movie.
There you go. Are you guys stoked?
Que juntos vamos a salir adelante y todo va a estar
We
bien.
live in troubled times, but we're gonna be okay.
That's perfect, dude.
Ya saben,
I'm Mahdi from Bangladesh. We're all in this together.
Oh, I'm alright.
Working on it right now.
We can get through this together.
Super bien. We are laughing together. We are learning to care. We are becoming one people. Helping, serving, loving, consoling. This is the first time the world is bonded together against a common cause. It's the first time we have all been a team. It's the first time we have been a family. Lighting each other's hearts. A symphony, each playing a part. A new world is coming into view, and we are now family, me and you.